Nearly a week after the massive snowstorm here in Indianapolis, some of the roads still look snow covered, just like this. We just found a woman who is stuck in her car. On WRTV's Adam Schooms will share her message and DPW's message.
The streets are so bad, I'm stuck, so I have to plow out.
Angie Hodson says she had clear highways all the way from Whitestown, only to get stranded on a residential street in Indianapolis.
I just think, where are they? Help. Yeah, this is not good.
Residential areas see much less traffic. They see traffic at lower speeds. When contractors are deployed for those priority 3 streets, the standard is to do one pass down the middle in order to make it passable.
Angie doesn't think side streets like this one were ever properly plowed. It has led to drivers getting stuck and neighbors feeling frustrated.
They're not paying attention to the side roads where people are walking their dogs and trying to get out and commute and go to work.
Her frustration comes amid Indy DPW utilizing its new snow removal policy. DPW says the new plan is designed to clarify when neighborhood streets get cleared.
Thousands upon thousands of segments of streets in Indianapolis, even if we hit 99.9% of them, that 0.1% is still going to stick out, and we're going to want to get it up to 100 before this is all said and done.
But even with the new policy, DPW says some roads may be missed or not get cleared as the department wants. Case in point, this one near 21st and Talbot.
This was one where it was kind of hard to tell. It was still struggling to be, probably as passable as we would have liked. We called it back in. We got this one taken care of. This is in much better condition than it was yesterday.
For Angie, her message is simple.
I think they need to be preventative and be on it.
In Indianapolis, Adam Schooms, WRTV.